Hi everyone! Today I show you a simple method to reduce bags under the eyes. It's also a technique that can work if you want to reduce the texture of anything really. So let's jump into Photoshop. So I am here in Photoshop with this image, and what I want to show you this is how to remove the bags under the eyes. So this area right here and this area, and then bonus technique, I'm going to show you how to whiten the teeth. It's something I already talked about in a previous video called how to fix color patches. This is exactly the same technique, but another way of using it because this is not on skin, but on the teeth. So let's get started. I'm going to create a new layer. So you click on the plus here, and then you can call it retouching. What we're gonna have to use is the stem tool. So click S on your keyboard or click on this little icon here. Then choose a flow between 5 and 20%, that depends of your image. Here I'm going to use a flow of 9%. Then you have to set the sample on all layers, because if you are on current layers, nothing is going to happen because your layer is empty. We just created it, so it won't sample anything. So we need the stem to sample everything that is under our layer here. So you choose all layers. Then I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and we are going to work on this area here. Don't go too far on this area because otherwise it's going to look very unnatural, and this is not what we want. So we are working on this area here and not this one. Okay. So with your stem tool, you are going to sample an area that is just under and very close to the area you want to fix. So in this case, we are going to choose to sample this area here. So you click on Option and click the area you want. And I'm starting to brush. And if it's not enough, you can brush once more, and let's see before and after. So it really helps the texture to be a bit smoother and also the tone to be a bit brighter. So let's do the other eye. Here it is. Here this is smaller, so maybe a bit more tricky. Okay. So before and after. Before and after. So just with the stem tool on a low flow, you can fix the bags under the eye in a very natural way, because here on this channel, my goal is to show you how to retouch skin very naturally, not to look like plastic skin. So now if you really want to remove this darker area here, my recommendation would be to use a dodge and burn technique. I'm not going to go into detail here. Here is how it would look like quickly. So you would create a soft light layer, then use a white brush set on 3% and brush only the darker areas with a white brush. So I'm doing something quickly here. I have a video where I explain how to do a dodge and burning, so I will link it as well. So you can see before and after. So that would be before and after with our stamp technique, and with the soft light before and after, before and after. Now we are going to work on the teeth. So you create a new layer. So same technique, you click on the plus here, and I'm going to call it color fix, and then set the blending mode. So the blending mode adjust here, set it on color. Then I'm going to zoom a little bit on the mouth. And here I'm going to take my brush, so be on my keyboard or this icon here, and I'm going to choose an opacity of, let's say, 15%. Then I am sampling the color I want to replace this yellow part here. So I'm going to choose this color right here, and then I am brushing on the teeth I want to fix. Be careful to don't go outside of this area, otherwise you are gonna color it as well, and that's not what we want. So you brush, and if you want a stronger effect, you just have to brush again. Okay, perfect. And then let's see before and after, and you can see that the teeth are brightened. If it's too much and unnatural to you, you can always change the opacity of your layer. So something like that looks good to me. So this is what we did before and after. We fixed the bags under the eyes and we whitened the tooth. If you want to learn in detail every techniques to retouch skin and portrait photography, you can register in the waitlist in the description to get notified when my course is ready and get a chance to get the course for free and become a beta tester. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any next videos. You can also register to the waitlist in the description if you are interested about everything skin and portrait retouching. See you in the next video.